Yatna say ewa Kent Cap Cafe Shop edin komotwetwen bro Kumase Asokwa City Mall inside kwa Akoma 87.9 FM and afei Akoma TV ewa YouTube because so akamfo ekra say eba ne breakfast cafe tea any smoothies ahodo na Kent Cap Cafe Shop and amekamfo ede akra afei fries any pastries ahodo ni nyina nsom ya na wabomoden ede adofo na aba ha ye kama obetumi abetena se aye business meetings ahodo ni nyina na fei aduane a eden so woni adofo no mwanya bi edi numbers no etwagu e wo screen so eno ti adaroma ya na wafa na woni Kent Cap Cafe Shop woni wono mo atwe enkomo medi ede ama sewa sapona ene ye ne asare bedi akon e na etwe enkomo oye actor director esanso eye film producer ene no ebetwe enkomo na ya do asuko akọ sinitwa ene na brabo ya wadi era sinimu era ya ma wakwaba
ye no yaminu yaba.
Okay, fast forward ye hu wo sinimu Kumawood mu achepa ubetumi de yakọ wachi kakra emfidudu a odi aye adwuma se sinitwa ni
meda wasiminu yaba na meden krama achieve ya chiao. I think say me started adwuma ya check akra said the whole can. I believe that me started really active into filmmaking. Young fan somewhere around 1999.
1999.
Yes.
Okay.
And
so like 24 years ago.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm right.
2000 crown, 23 years.
Yes.
Okay.
So 99 I'm around actively.
Okay.
For the filmmaking. And then Osha, before that, I was doing a whole I was into sports, me bought table tennis, I was into soccer, me bought balls. Into me jai ni no, na me ba me be concentrating fully on the acting. It's almost up for how many years I made it there, actively there, somewhere from 99. But before 99, no na ye humanly be at that time no na akoye 11. Okay. Yeah, somewhere around 96, 97, 98. Ni ye humanly be kakra. It was Mira Chermatin Playhouse somewhere after secondary school. That was 1994. Okay. And through that, and I made a join Chermatin Playhouse, a resident theater. I was Center for Natural Culture, Kumasi. Okay. I honor you. We deal with stage performances. It's in schools. You drama, stage acting. For the schools. And through that, and I honor you to teach me free. That is where I started. That I started acting until 99, 2000. Miracle Films. Every year audition. Cultural Center. And yeah, the cool beer. Realize it so. Kumasi Accra, we have a lot of potentials over here we can make good use of. Okay. Because that time not easy. Say Kumasi, you get the opportunity to feature in any of the Ghanaian movies. Okay. Because at that time we have time with NAFTI, NAFTI School of Performing Arts. Na edi hiniwo in TV, in television stations. So very aware. That time, the time with NAFTI, you will be able to say Thursday theater and then the rest. Okay. It is also artists are not those days. Omo use with the Omo NAFTI products. Edina Matachi, Gifag Post, the Solomon Sampers, Omo Dosh, Fred Amugis, David Dontos. They were the people are not Omo professional actors. Now you use Omo on screen. Okay. So when Miracle came to Kumasi or started its Jumano, that was when I knew combined those from NAFTI, Accra, superstars as at that time. Okay. And the Nigerian artists, so-called Nigerian superstars, Obekaya, those days with Zach Ogis and then Kanayo, Hilda Dokubo, Nisa, Patatas, Oduomunina by. It's no blending or move with. Young Ghanaian superstars are near at that time. I'm free NAFTI, the Grace Notice and the rest I'm mentioning, and few of them. Now you combine near your movie. Until now, Kumasi to get the opportunity to be part of a Ghanaian movie, no, not easy. But thanks be to God, saying, yeah, you pass it through the stage act. No, we had the opportunity because not experienced, no, wise. And somebody like myself, we should be to say Mr. Kwekucho Messi, we should be to say Daniel Adeleye, we should be to say Raf Samao, we should be to say Maybelline, near Dosso Kakra, few. You Timmy, a passing through the audition, near what experience, and now you blended with them. In Chinona, it wasn't easy. And then it being directed by a Nigerian director. May he so rest in peace, which is the late Ifeanyi Unyabo. At that time, Miracle Films I employ now. But then they buy we started from there since 99.
Okay. Nti Ubakai senior Ubaka say Edu Din a Babontia Ghana for Shasi say Yehu.
Sinine Doso. But the man may buy out there. I believe say those days in a movie be may be no Nedino up.
Okay.
But I will say 2000 after Nsem one of the movies I think say a make it out well. Because at that time na yenya traditional movies no Emma out my nipen hu nti Ghana for be here dey begitum after say ye ne Nigerians na combine a lot of movies because ye Jewels too ye remember your mother Mr. Hippick and also ye movies ni bebre with the Nigerian stars but as to say Ghanaians nko ye ka boom ye first film na ye so we was Nsem nti Nsem was one of the movies I think say it me making me out with that role I be playing with the Jedu role I be playing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Unuanom sinitwa for do na oni omudi nkomo mbeka se omo hyase na nye sika titru bia.
Yeah.
Na omo nsa so. Obi ohono ma se camera sini so a o twakra na Ghana ko ehunu no. Ene fe. Obi so beka cho se sa brand sika na ye de ma no. Na ne senti ade kra na entumi ntua. Obeka sika esombo a unyaaye edi kai ewo sinimo.
Minkai. Okay. Minkai because at that time you started, you know. Now we were not looking up to money. Na sika semono eni ya dream. Na ye bom pie so nyame bedom ye ni etimi enya that fame no.
Okay.
So what did you make sure us? And in those days with Miracle Films, I believe say na aye etuhu ache eduma. So na ye minister ho and then man no so Mr. Samuel nyame chesu you be on my end that platform. So what you say? And you know ono na dey pass through that yemfa say television no. Na your attention in nisikaso. So what did you make sure
that eventually scan bebe.
Oh, kakra. Sika kakra beba. Because those days no be a ubaya juma be 3-4. Be a count pay boom be a 30 cedis.
Okay.
So what you say? 30 cedis. Which is a name fan say
30 cedis.
30 cedis. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
So yes, kabia like what do we need to say the BPB because at that time when you start I feel ye bua wona watimi ayede enya baby ewu na nia left up enti wodi wani kotu sika na chesu pia e be hard kakra enti na mani ni sika so but as to say adwuma me ye ya me ye sika mani ji ye de I think so woman na ba but gradually after year co up na producers ni who say oh we are matured and the miracle na create baby na afei no etua ye ka ye kakra e ma yeso ye motoy.
I see.
Yeah.
It is see how the director, a producer. Yeah, the say wow movies our director no eto nchen a. Senior watcha both your main and supportive role no e be say.
Hey. I shoot more than 300 movies.
Okay.
When it comes to acting and then directing so let me atwam 250.
So
until no edoso pa because me body
every band and also be we say fe dey wow person also direct movies dey be mu time be.
Yo, I think say the man may call into directing near one. On the me obia me an school me literature. Into not many writing to me an amateur. So I quite remember somewhere around before Miracle Ebe Fire Crab. Now I have shot my own movie.
Okay.
I'm a title on the video. Into not many joke. Now I write a lot. As I keep to speak now, I go so amateur. So directing was something I feel say those times, acting it could do time there. Na one kasabe who say we good, but in your role biana, you be casting for. Ube audition, ube pass it all right. Director and bebo abaso, oh sorry, you've done well. Audition you won't know what topo. But at the end of the day, listen if cast listen if no. Now role I will expect to see at the bema I quite remember a audition bureau those days near me to a Biana Hotel Stadium with Miracle Films, and then if I knew Niabo. Yeah, audition ni or the me be general ni mo catch him so. Audition the men am pass because I delivered excellently, I was expecting say and casting ban. I think it was courtship as that was the title of the movie, and then or be begin anymore mabaso. But casting less nearby and na me wo extra. The same thing like Remember Your Mother. What make a extra role as a job attendant? So I was like, well, director say my pass, but then what make a extra rules rules be brio bit me the my day. Man give you up because I know say once you are an extra pass you are part of the production in director. So I was cool with it until say your co-location I started here I was at the chop bar me could di be fine. Oh, you be try me close up, you be taking me be a cutaway, it's nice. Moving up in those days to once the movies never near premiere. A premiere no with our cinemas, Rivoli or Odeon, so we near your premiere in the once and a ton. Ain't no a bar, a ja yina will be a pucore, Rivoli, ya diabebo boho. And me invite him a bushing for Tiena koi.
Okay.
Your koi I movie na me ma no zoo na chief away. Young who Nabsu Mebanti chop bar scene me drew so. That was when I prompted them so a dream is until be a late. In fact, me I'm to me buy cross or me who say me. Was your mamma long shot and a mechi. And you trap free mechi. Bye. Today I saw men I met on me some new banner. Ye oh, and you only almost ray me pa. The minute no crane a shame. Say yes, sir. Na me pictures and na a bobo a horn woman who say me a part of the movie and could be anyone who can say me a part. I say I'm trying to picture you. I don't know me to defend them who can me buy me buza director. As a director, no, I don't get it. Yeah, audition, what's me my yard. I feel command me extra role man complaining. He said what is best for me now, no problem. Your child the end so we are me long shot now so far. Menim grammar. So I don't get it. And now, or catch him say, yeah, it's good to say me busano. Nah, the entire or yes, and say he doesn't want to waste me. So okay, and
he doesn't want to
waste me.
Okay.
So I said, one person will be wasting me. Say, I'm part of the movie, so I think I'm not trying to. I said, mommy, I said no. Be a character, be a very good, and I have opportunities ahead of me. And to know person what me be play that extra role no. Ama mani mu aba na ni pe hu. Nti on penisa ntina wo try me longer yen hu me. I say no still am nyada me nti ase. He was once I'm part of the film lady at least no. Mama ni mo mra na me so me hu say. And then he told me so other scenes other scripts what me be. I shouldn't worry. Inti oka sa no na so okay fine. Wakana sa no problem. Martinez. Since then, and was starting yebdi jewels too. So jewels too, I was given a police officer. What you say? Many Nigerian superstars, you know, and the combined. So I was happy. I did buy Mr. Hippick, the same thing, and I'm the graduate Akoma. So sometimes it's not really about the character I will play, but I realize to say, and your script beyond a bit favor. In this new script beyond a bit favor with the that means to say, it was say, who put something extra to do behind. Said the beya, bit me up wow. So it's yes, because now me a smallish, me a very smallish. And so we are good to pass it. Crying to me from quite a penny room. So it's yes, I realized that you know, I approached the director. So their character, no, yes. Okay. Said you say, Obi to say, Kwame Uswansa, the late me brother Kwame Uswansa. Kwame Uswansa, Ayobia, na onye into filming, no a radio. Until say, this movie, Time. Okay. Time, you know, at that time, you can say, one of our brothers, I think, say, Danati. Or Accra, one of the superstars those days. To another played that role. But during the rehearsals, as I don't know, say, it was a movie making in something, I want to take it time. So you're too complacent, tension bit me up. Because stars need be good on near doors. And will be also so we need that spirit to stand in front of people too. Even though your experience, and you'll be an intimate, you'll be all who crowd out intimate acting. So, and then I think says Sana happened to Danati. Director and try very hard because at that time not no experience anymore. With Emmanuel Manon because of their background from Nafti Nessa way, and no more a very strong way. But you pushing went to me. And I Kwame Usu and Sabai. Kwame Usu and Sabai. He was able to deliver. Now director and said no. Chinchina will force you to play that role. Because that was his first movie, and it was a hit for him. So until the personality, you know, sometimes it counts. When Castia, director Bia when vision before what your script and I will read the script in a certain character, certain personality, I bet me fit the role.
Okay. Sir, Obi ka say Agya Koo and a bed J, Kumawood, a sea homa Ghana for any J, Ghana for one singing one, Obejato.
Obi ka say Minjintu. In a sense, say Agya Koo by no will be meeting people, right? Will be meeting a lot of stars. I'm not a human. Because Agya Koo by movie Obi kind it was massive. But I believe, say, before Kumasi what was it? You know, at that time, nothing so, and you know, Agya Koo on the side of the comedy, people came to like it. But that's to say, because Agya Koo I don't believe that. I totally disagree. Because those days of it was hitting, it was booming. Something they mentioned us, not Kumawood, not people, not passion. But when it comes to the comic aspect of and you may be also the NBA, why? But one person it's in the industry. Say or known as one man industry. I said that, and I will always say, as a technical person, I know I've been acting and in front of cameras and at the back. It's be a work film in India, at least my work experience.
And I just go by and I go, but the level here, I think, say, over. And because the cement of fully be a penna cement, and some producers also give it to users. I had the young one you face. And my neighbor call over raising shoulders. On one attitude on set. Sometimes you can't say it. Because a brand will only pick you. We here 2 days for a movie. And we here 2 days for a movie. How do you expect a director to shoot maybe about a year? And then Jack will hear one maybe supporting character. And I said, it was the kind of audience. Until you had a car at that time, says it was still making good use of it. The patriotic prayers. And then making good use of it needs time. Because as a good director, you need time to work on the artist to get what you want. About the 2 days. 2 days before you can night. Or back from an opera 6 to a 6 hours. What did they mention last time? And 2 days, can you be able to shoot about 50, 60, 70 scenes in one scenes? So it became a rush. Where I'll be up a sort of finish one day. Quick.
Okay, so how many?
Some of us, we technical, we technical, we saw it. Suddenly, oil, they collapse. Even though you do what you do, but when you trek, no one's not saying, definitely the outcome will be bad. I got you what you say. So these are some of the things I was starting here. Oh yeah, I believe some of the producers that are meeting. But we as directors, some of us will say it. You can't only hear a problem. But I don't think say a normal best of me from and then me just and I'm here doing but I said it as it is. So it's it's over about 2 days, so we try.
Myself is so being said. O see Agya Koo one day, and I said, "You do say like I said on the J, Kumawood teacher, and my Ghana for any J. It is an eye war artist beer, one body more a pong kaya. I then Agya Koo back pay 80%. Or TV a contributing Kumawood and a profit."
I'm saying, sir. Although at that time, you see, Ghanaians nobody to say comedy. So it's yes, not what yet outstanding comedy. So it's the nature. As at that time, not they were people. No one was wrong. But I want to say, let me tell you something. Agya Koo is very creative. But whenever he is on set, he's being controlled by a director. That is one thing you people must know. Agya Koo, no creativity. Anyway, well, you're very creative, excellent. I respect that. But even some of the words, a year or can sometimes we give it to you. What's he saying? Agya Koo be paid Agya Koo, and you will be in the show.
Look at this guy.
That is miracle for me. At that time, I was a continuity and I was an assistant director. And you know, some of the even the words are because at the end of script now actually. My sister, let me tell you, it's English. They're pure English. You'll be English. It is the work of a director and a bad a bachelor of your work. Saying that saying that can you say, how can you say, how much you are the comedy and you will tear correcting. If I short the nature, you tear your correcting. And in your pay, no, he's being directed by someone. It is so case. Umpuana upeja industry in what sense, in what base? No, my grounds on Kasa. Yeah, no, be Susan Kasa. Mr. Chumesino Omun Kasa. Daniel Adelaide Omun Kasa. We have that name, it was there before you came. Patriotic, I say, every outstanding comedy now. Obi near comedian, but it's serious. We are raw and play. No matter how it is, said you obey any beer, maybe Ubia was a speciality. So also you also buy an Ubia misreading. It doesn't take one person in the dream industry, but one person who back last year June to last at that time said your trend the day call. Ubia a follower, and not just on what you see. What's he asking? Be a follower, also making sure say you do the right thing. So when you're the right thing, definitely a bit collapse. Until America can say or contribute much for the downfall of the movie industry. Yes.
You share more directors and producers. At the point, you say Ghana for any movie. Now, to be able to somebody movies better than some mind ever. Say you're stressing and that's a location view or one as a woman out to say location back on a at the point a storyline near their general one has some actors because I feel that work movies and another whatever and so say
The Caribbean means what you say. Even if you take American movies, they are so first now you're so much interested in foreign movies. one thing we must know is that your sector we are in informal sector. What you say? And yet a Juma survey will be cross certificate who apply to them. A creative something. Creativity, tone. What's the nature of us? A idea inbuilt, it comes from within. What do you mean? Because I make the creativity it's inbuilt something. And you know, once we are all creative, I believe, say, I give you a told they are beer, also so bad. Say, young fun says, here, I am ready up. Right? We have various associations. It's the various associations they try to control every sector. But here, me a director. Mabaha. If be a number who say, if be a shooting be I will try to find out the who are in charge. Say, or you're professional, that's only professional. If I told me how they are, that's our DNA will try to here. I have every right to stop you. But don't stop you, so you're careful because you're right. There is no air control. Yami Akata say, where here, Juma Fubi Waha, who bet me a day. Aqua stop. And just say, Nippon say, sorry to say, be obey director now. And now obey acting. Now join Ghana Actors Guild. Ghana Actors Guild is a professional entity. Obia actor bia obeba hobia must be a professional actor. What professional actor means is that you must be a very trained actor. Wa establish on dada. Ebia wa ye adwuma be ba ko mienu miensa bi. Yehu and sana betimi ande. I join the Ghana Actors Guild. And not joining, they are not there say be training artists. That is not their job. Omo team up as a professional artist, working together. Training actors. So if you don't train actors, not say obi waha. Ebi out here no obi tie kurase, baby. Na creativity no won mu no so obi timi aya. Waha obekwa akoye no odi aba. Are you getting me? Okay. So it's very difficult to fish them out. So what we are trying to do, they say, and kakran no, you be mobilizing nyina come under one umbrella, so we can be able to supervise one another. You betimi aboa ama adwuma na koso professional. Enti no, obi kan ya dan a, ubenya obi a woye adwuma enye ewo. So first the rate na movies na ekono. I believe say sahana bekono. Because I keep saying allow yourself ma ubia sorry to say only adwuma no ho do. Ye mo mo chance e mo mo be real. Omo na say adwuma. We are part of it. Because say okofa ubia onye filmmaker or a businessman. As a businessman you are okay. To get your money you want to invest in any good business and the good results ebebro. Faso ebebro. Into no who say filmmaking ne baby who invest here you will get a lot of money. Into no say individual biaba no so obey adwuma na you should look out for professional people to work with. Okay. So what you say? Omo no ebia onya omo obefa obia no ordinary. Enipa odene beye no so no na ankwa the end product no ankwa yefe. And at the same time you allow yourself ema onu businessman na odene sika bi wremu a o pesika no open faso de akọ no omo no na sabe control industry. What did they say? In the sense say they said say omo na de omo sika ye nti de omo pen omo beye. A director can decide so ebe for artist you obeka just me na ye sika me. Which of course, maybe a storyline I will treat you. What is any part? Okay.
There is this debate as to whether this sinistica ebobra and I am to me famobra. We are filmmaker. What to me the sinitrasica abobra?
The patch of Juma we here for day. No sika unya no the day.
Okay.
No, I have seen beside.
Okay.
I really don't get it when people
term to underrate filmmakers, right? Let me tell you, even though, apart from filmmaking, I really don't mean all my concentration is on filmmaking with the creative arts department. So what I say, and maybe I'm a I'm doing small business via art touch. But the BN who are better free filmmaking because at the end I and you know Obia Juma and kakra na sebe me ne ma me bi kasai me koto no example na me ye na oton bidie o fie bi ani mabonsan ena akwala bi ba na se de no si behave no na me tia akwala na me say wo beto ade aye bu panyini oni ma me ni pagya na ni no hwe o pagya ni ti no hwe say ah bra waka asemu enkola ya mu me kra so bidie a me ton wa he eno anam de asifie esi what did they make sure na say bidie na o ton no wa hyehye e wo na bonsan kese e do sato entino every little money you make bia it depends on how you neutralize your money. Okay? Obi betimi anya obetimi ayi movie obetimi anya 1 billion e bia wontimi mfanya hwe ode beginani ode beye we ode beye ode behino obi betimi anya 1 million 1 million na wanya no so okay 1 million krade na betimi ayi no problem am enko market me hwe nkola ho hom tuntum su sa pana ede ayi ede ton su ye say bia wato be 3 4 ice water o feel the mind say or the amount kwala nkakra muntomra that you know betimi dia ye dey so filmmaking in Ghana definitely you don't expect much as in Europe any other neighboring countries but at least kakra bia ubenya bia in your own way no you can save it to make something big into filmmaking there. Sika ubenya wumbia, you can invest it as well and do and yes say ube undermine. And let me tell you say eduma bia niwa sika wumche filmmaking that. No business in Ghana or in the world. I'm telling you, there is no business in the world that sika
in Ghana here.
In the world than filmmaking. No business. Because filmmaking is a creative thing. So sabi ne goldness chef from wahani you to kurana. Besa beko baby fufuro. What did they mention us? But creativity there. We yi kono na we yi ba. We yi kona we yi ba. Nti so usong na usong yi a e wo ho afebo. Ye wo for the world. You entertain the people, we educate them and we inform them as well. Entino ayadea a yet natural fina a wo afebo. It's only filmmaking, film industry in Kwana Kofoma. You see a lot of companies collapsing. Because Ghana I film sometime filmmaking equal for me. A lot of companies are collapsing. A lot of them almost sales for. Because you will see the printing machines, almost printing CDs near you. Jacket inlays near there in Accra, big companies, bear 3 or 4, be what a man, and collapse. Because say, we see now, see this, you don't have a marketing place to sell them. Into filmmaking there, a coswa or mine also a ton. Because let me tell you, aside they say, yeah, build it, friends say, creativity up, no, yeah, bring up stars, no, okay. You contributed to the GDP, you have no idea. Extremely huge. So filmmaking cost us a main fan say you war. Oh dear, my main fan minimum be a nipa 20 and 30. Okay, on set a day. Now say a day be out there say 5 movies and they cost you a day. 30 times 5 is how I say 150. Filmmakers are employing 150 people on set. What did they mention on us say? And then some people, okay. So until filmmaking, they are there, a bois nation, pa. Your location, right? Your high hotels. Okay? Hotels na ye high no. You tuyaka. Ye boa o mona me boa. O munye sika. Your location na ye no aduane ye market ko didwa. It toast way you feed the people 3 times a day. And today bia no say filmmaking because we be able cook room akodidwa. Okay? Ye tatare. Ye tatare she ye ko force like we intare bills, costumes. Boutique and bibia, everything. Aside that, there are so many things. Casa you use you be top petrol, you be weigh a lot.
Okay. Nansen ye hu any actors ni bi e wa say not constituency say more endorsements edema NDC.
Yeah.
Ghana po hu do ana mo so mo ko pesika be si manche.
Na about why na say ura politics ma ko pesika ko si manche. You see, adia was say Ghana for etiase ne say nipa bia ye nipa. Ena nyankopon odo bia pe aman. Okay. Yemfa ne say me nye filmmaker. Ena bia me ye the normal person a me namwa. Na makwa join NDC a news. It's not a news. And na untimi nka se sika na me kwa kopi. Political party eyuku what you say I say sorry. So if you believe in the principles, the ideology and philosophy of your party, and now join. And yanshe se party be preachy the manifesto or the principles and the philosophy and the ideology to gap. Not say utie na ko wasu na ujitu mu a na wo ko join. Right? Me join NDC not because of money, but because it's a fine. I love the party. I believe in their principles, their ideologies, and the philosophies of the party. And the man me ko join to also help say a bit me I build the up accordingly. And besides, I don't see anything wrong with an artist and any celebrity say or could join any political party. It's a choice. It's a choice. Once you turn 18,
okay.
And you can take a decision of you. You can make your choice of a party. But Ghana ha say we celebrity be now could join party be to say NDC. You who say we nipa bia. I don't know, especially we Kumasi. What is wrong? But joining NDC at Chepa since 2012.
Okay.
Right? 2012 na yem papa the late Ibanza Tamils. His Excellency. Oh yes, no. It's high time celebrities almost feel say person you for party A, party B, party C. You'll be able to But that time I was behind. Until even with 2012, most of the adverts NDCA I was part of the team. And he design concept, he shoot BBR. But now I was back. 2016, and ye for the party. So what did they mention? So may have been an activist party member. Menye you cry. Into my woman check. Some song party.
A brabin na what can say politics in Tinka nipe be pel. That
was 2016.
I didn't see it.
Because 2016 no on say at that time no artist no more na you money. Okay. Because already creative art for NDC since 2016 no. I have been the leader, especially in Ashanti region here. Okay. And you know, it's mobilizing the artists going up and down here. Now people feel say Kumasi, a baby, a stronghold of NPP. And you know, oh yes sir, with the people, crofwa, yede, a tie, do, wo year, join party, na definitely between padodo na aba. So they started hunting for us. Omoko meho, omoko Tracy Buacheho, because Omunyanam Duomoko sly ho. Because Omu say, Yening crofwa, at least no, ye chichi and crofo bem. I would say your political opponent and your enemy. I keep saying, Kumasi, how man, yam yam politics na ye no, yet you which is wrong. Because from 2016 up to 2020, producer BNO didn't do mama. There are a lot of producers, some of them called me, they catch me say, sorry. Say, they will see where you and more NDC. Kumasi for say, Omo pay NDC, Omo pay MPP. Intino, so where you and more NDC, you don't call ye Juma, yen top. Intiem for 1 year Juma. A Juma no so called director, almost a yen top. Intiem for 1 year Juma. As some of heard and catch and say, many problem, Yame and the Hilipa. Okay. Ain't no say, one day a Juma, oh, ye, a better to politics. It's wrong. Not all yet tribalistic. This is what I call stigmatization in what? Work. Stigmatization of work. It's very wrong. Okay. Political stigmatization. How they a friend, very bad. We need to stop. Okay. Agya Koo could run people. The boni say wa. Now then, I'm run this more. It's wrong. It's high time Ashanti region especially must change that mentality. Man, that is what I've been preaching for always. Always. I said no, you could share Agya Koo. Yes, I come out. Yes, so what I say. And you know, and kakran, I believe said, don't wanna be who near what's wrong with Yamana Metro. Me met me a candy American natural. Upa now be upa on your day. Name wow who say, a dear way, a good, and no more, mini animal to ya, no more was some so many who day. Be shame been a boy, let me a boy. Eti, hair won't church him more with their Maya and say, Kumasi for Ghana for Yante politics. Especially celebrities are on the Raman, you say, Momunyanti. Sure. Now, says here, actors and actresses, more endorsement, and what the Muhura politics. Let me tell you, every actor is a politician. Okay. Okay? We do politics, we drink politics, we eat politics. Even who I would say a politician. Because who a party I open. Maybe I won't can. But who are the open wakumempa open? Who are sorry who are doing? So what did they make sure say? So it was said omutiasi. Say a time has come one. Obiade no. 2016, I quite remember say somebody like Agya Koo, right? At the end one find RTV. We try a cheaper, join this, we try a cheaper. But then look at Agya Koo. And then look at Agya Koo. What's the MPP then you're not going to crave you? Ghanaians must understand. Say a do time be a once I will ultimately salai kotwa banunkwandi a your mandate. That is what the constitution is a mandate on you, incumbent on you. Said unya 18 it was so registered now kotu about one year mandate. If I choose to say, until once I will kotu banunkwandi, you are a politician. Also kotu kochida wadi near to near you be a ususu say oba a bit me aboa. Sanity and yan tokwa. And yes, me who na me time. No, yamma obia kwai. Media coming kwa. Sadie obia wo pepa ultimate to aba wa register no. Sa konya no na wasi yede ma obia no join party ope irrespective of who you are. So you celebrate you, so you den you, so you den you, so you den. Ye nyina ye nipa. Ye nyina ye nipa. Yamma kwai. Obia feel free. Ye open up Agya Koo name Matilda sorry no so start. Almost so open up. And yamma kwai. At the end of the day, you know, ye nyina ye kire ya adwene nyam tokwa. Me pa twa motima say. Enti no Ghanaians must understand this. Na omu nya boche man. Omu hu no sa e mo mfa ne say sebe ye ya atamfo, ye nya atamfo. Omu nti ase e wo sa kwan so.
Yes, I'll go back to movie. Now I'm fine. Come on, say our current movie projects and as a film project. What do you see when you so?
Yeah, currently, no, me a lot of projects are me. Okay. But as I speak to you now, dear, recently, no project woman anymore. Me baby just week here, I'm shooting for Mesdia production. Yeah, me about me CC and me who can hear and I'm consume. It's in mama me project be Ibusua to tour. Yeah, kwa. After that, I have other projects and also so my design area best starting. And also I'm trying to come out with an idea with the bedroom a lot of talent. Because me when they say right now the talent now the same faces and then we need new faces for the industry. Because they say and Nioma Essan. It was said new characters are obviously beef up with the old characters or not it's me a move ahead for the new dimensional industry we perceive.
Social media handles.
Well, as a Facebook, I have 2 accounts. Okay. I have a Saribidi account and then I have Kojo Asaribidi account. That's on Facebook. TikTok too, I have 2 accounts. Same. They were Kojo Asaribidi account. That is a TikTok. And I'm a Universal Media Talent. So TikTok. And then Instagram, Twitter is the same as Saribidi account. Yeah.
That's it. So bye. Yet now say our Kent Cafe Shop. Kumasi Asokwa City Mall inside where any didn't come away ever somewhere. Akoma 87.9 FM. Akoma TV. Ewo YouTube. Makacho second cup. Ewo nyane papa. Edi free breakfast in nyane cafe. And a free fries. Pastries. I would do ni na. And until I have more than 5 one brand. I'm made in nyane eden. Mede ade ama sewa sapong. Yabado ase ama umu any shape.